Hello, Bristol Bears. Today we are talking about the concept chord. A chord is 3 notes at the same time. What's a chord? It's 3 notes at the same time. But the real question is, what 3 notes? Because if I do this, and I put all 3 of those notes, and then I play it. Oh, wow. That did not sound very nice. Boo. Nope. I don't want my chord to sound like that. I want my chord to be something that could be under a lullaby if I needed it to be. So let's try spacing our notes apart. Let's skip 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Let's see if that sounds nice, like a chord. That's a no. Goodbye. Okay, let's try 3 apart. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Wait. There we go. Let's see. It's okay, but it's not the sound I'm looking for. What if I only skip 1 note? Skip 1. Skip 1. Let's see what that sounds like. Ooh! That sounds nice. Yeah! So a chord is going to be 3 notes that are going to skip a note each time. So you will have a note, skip 1, the next note, skip 1, the next note. You can have these one at a time, or all together. So these are called, it's a fancy word, but it's not actually fancy. These are called arpeggios. It's just a chord 1 note at a time. Now if I put them at the same time, that would be a chord. Now, do we have to start at the bottom? No. Skip 1. Skip 1. Ooh. I want to do that first chord again. Ooh! Let's start on the green this time. Ooh! And let's end on the red so it feels done. Skip 1. Let's listen to this. Oh, that sounds like something we could actually have a song over. And we do. Most of the songs that we listen to have chords or 3 notes at one time underneath. As you are listening and doing all of your activities today, think about, do you hear chords? Do they sound nice? Can you tell that they are spaced apart by 1 note? They're skipping 1 note. How can you tell when the chords change? And if you would like to experiment with this on your own and make chords the way I did, I am in Chrome Music Lab on Songmaker. Have a great time today, guys.